Welcome to Get Glimpse channel, backing up your most important PC folders, that is desktop, documents, and pictures to OneDrive is an essential step for protecting your files from hard drive failure, ransomware attacks, or accidental deletion. This feature, known as PC folder backup, ensures that your data is always safe, signed across all your devices, and accessible from anywhere. Here is an updated step-by-step guide on how to automatically backup these folders using the OneDrive desktop app on Windows. The first phase is to start by setting up PC folders backup. This is a straightforward process that you only need to do once. So you will start by opening OneDrive settings. And this is how to do that. Just find this blue or white cloud icon in your Windows notification area. This is right here at the bottom right corner of the taskbar. You may need to click on this arrow pointing up to show hidden icons. Right-click the icon and then select Settings from the menu. In the Microsoft OneDrive pop-up window, go to the Sync and Backup tab. Under the Important PC Folders section, just click the Manage Backup button. A new window will appear showing you the 3 folders you can back up, that is desktop, documents, and pictures. By default, all 3 should be selected. If a folder says not backed up, you can toggle it on. Click the Start Backup button. Now, OneDrive will immediately begin uploading the contents of these folders to the cloud. You can close this window and backup will continue in the background. The second phase is understanding what happens after the backup. Once the backup is complete, you'll notice a few changes that are crucial to understand. This is the first one. Your files are actually moved. The files from your desktop, documents, and pictures folders are no longer stored in their original locations on your PC. They are now located inside the OneDrive folder on your computer. A shortcut remains. The original folder locations on your PC will now act as a shortcut to the signed folders within your OneDrive directory. This is why you will see a blue cloud icon next to them in a file explorer like this. Your files are always in sync is another thing. Any new file you save to your desktop, documents, or pictures folders will automatically be uploaded to OneDrive. Similarly, any changes you make to these files on one device will be reflected on all other devices where you have OneDrive installed. You can now access all of your backed up files from the OneDrive website, the OneDrive mobile app, or any other computer where you are signed in to your Microsoft account. Now, this is how to manage or even stop the backup. If you ever want to stop backing up a specific folder, the process is actually very simple. Just open the OneDrive settings, just repeat the process we have done before. That is right-clicking this cloud icon and then selecting settings. Now, go to Manage Backup, navigate to the Sync and Backup tab, and click Manage Backup. Stop the backup. Now just find the folder that you want to stop backing up and click the Stop Backup button next to it. Confirm your choice when prompted. This is an important note. When you stop the backup, the files will remain in your OneDrive folder and will no longer appear in their original location on your computer. To move the files back up to their original PC folders, you will need to manually drag and drop them from the OneDrive folder to your desktop, documents, or pictures folders. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.